So I actually have another science TikTok idea that I want to film today because I have a lot of science TikTok ideas and they're piling up. So, anyways, so the other day my friend called me a free electron, and I told him that when you describe something as having a free electron, you're probably describing a metal. From there, I started nerding out about how metals are shiny and some things aren't because I had liberty to nerd the fuck out. So I was gonna use it. Anyways, I made a video about this. Like, it's a full-on YouTube video, so I think you should watch it if ever. But anyways, so what makes things shiny? Like, metals are shiny. You can see that there's that glimmering shine, whatever. And other objects, like for example this, you can see that it's purple, but it's not shiny. It's not like right in your face. Metals are made out of atoms with those free electrons, those loose electrons. So the reason an electron would stay in an atom is because of the interaction between the positive nucleus. The nucleus is made out of positive protons and the electron is negatively charged. So there's that attraction between them that's keeping the electron around that nucleus. And the thing is, sometimes these attractions aren't as strong and the electron can just move around, just zip anywhere it wants to go. So this ability for the electron to be just loose, to be free, is what makes metals shiny. So basically what happens when we see things is that we shine a light on that object and the electron of that material gets kind of unstable because there's this light, this disturbance hitting it. So this electron gets more energy from that light, and then it comes to an unstable state, but it wants to come back down to that stable state. So in order to do that, it needs to release energy in the form of light. That's how I'm seeing that this thing is purple. But the thing is, with regular materials, with non-metal materials, there's a specific wavelength that you need to see this color, the specific color, right? And you know that. But with metals, you can have the electrons at different distances with nucleus because they're free. They're not super fixed with respect to nucleus. So sometimes they're here, sometimes it's there, sometimes it's there. But what that means is that you can have different values for wavelengths that can hit this metal and you would still see light coming out of it. So here for this material, there's a specific wavelength to get this color. But with metals, it's a combination of wavelengths, so it kind of comes out kind of whitish, kind of silvery.